Alright, so let's get this new video started. Oh, and by the way, I did change up my room setup, so that'll be in a later video, but let's get on with this video.
So the Pixel 3 and 3 XL, they have the best camera in any smartphone, hands down, in my opinion. And you can find that all over throughout the internet. But that's not the topic of my video. So there's two main reasons. Google is going to release the 3A and 3A XL, and these are basically mid-range devices of the 3 and 3 XL. And the second reason why, it's because Google is going to release the 4 and 4 XL in October of 2019. So you're going to be getting newer flagships with Android Q later this year. So these mid-range devices, they're essentially the same as the 3 and 3 XL. The 3A is going to have a 5.6-inch Full HD display, and the 3A XL is going to have a 6-inch Full HD display. No notch, that means thicker bezels, of course. 4 gigs of RAM, a Snapdragon 670, 675 chip instead of the Snapdragon 845 found in the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL. USB Type-C, and thankfully Google is bringing back the headphone jack that they got rid of with the Pixel 2. And most importantly, Google is going to implement the same exact camera in the 3A and 3A XL that is found in the 3 and 3 XL. So looking at these specs, they're essentially the same. The only difference is the chips found in these phones. Obviously, you'll be getting new software since it's coming directly from Google, so that won't be a problem at all. Now, how is Google going to sell these phones? Obviously with the price. Like I said, mid-range devices. The 3A is slated for a $399 pricing, and the 3A XL is slated for a $479 pricing. And obviously these are for the 64 gigabyte storage models, and they're going to come out with 128 gigabyte models as well. So if you ask me, definitely wait for those to come out and pick those up instead of the 3 and 3 XL. Obviously, if you find the flagships on sale, maybe for $500-600, you can pick those up as well. But these are really good buys, especially for mid-range devices and with a stellar and amazing camera like that. The second reason why is because Google is going to release the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Now, not much has been leaked about the Pixel 4 series, but we can look forward to, obviously, a Snapdragon 855, 6 gigabytes of RAM. We are hearing about leaks and rumors suggesting that Google will finally bring a second camera lens to their 4 and 4 XL. But honestly, just bring an ultra-wide lens and you'll get the job done. Hopefully, the notch on the 3 XL was really big, and I hope they get rid of that. I hope they bring like a hole punch display like the Galaxy S10, or I hope they go full bezel-less this time around. That's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, we don't know much about the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, but the Pixel 3A and 3 XL, they're going to be really good when they come out, and I definitely consider those over the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.